there goes.
Tippins. Dude, you gotta stay off the sauce, brother. There you go. Let's get you in there. Yeah. It's time for some maintenance. The buggo. Oh, mama. Oh, yeah. Maintenance time, for sure. What? No way. Come on. The buggo. Bug to the bugger. I mean, come on. That's some pluggo buggo right there. To the buggo. There she is, all cleaned up. You can see some fangina behind there spinning. So you pull wool so you can see the fangina. For reals. Tasty. Tasty. See if we can get this. This is the bottom of the sump for the ice maker. And I'm gonna get the scrubbing on it. Looks like it's gonna come off pretty good. We'll see if we can get this thing cleaned up. And yeah, we got some scuzzo. Water curtain too. Water distribution tube. We'll get them cleaned up. Everybody's happy today. They cleaned up really good. Stoked. A little scrub on the ice maker is complete. And we're washed up. Now we're going back into the ice making cycle. This is the walk-in box condensing unit out here. I've already washed the coil on it. I kind of like went around and did all the coils first. Then I did the evap on the walk-in. It was filthy. Then I dug into that ice maker, and now I'm going to come back so I can check the defrost timer and the contactor and stuff on this condensing unit for the walk-in box. And I just remember, you guys remember the video I had where the trolls stole the disconnect out of here? So I got to turn it off at the... I have to turn it off at the breaker, which is right inside, and that's a code violation, but combating the homeless. They had a lock on it, and they cut it off of there. And I think they were, I don't know if they were trying to scab power or what the hell they were doing, but oh look, it's time for some new insulation. I could do the old spinnerooski real quick. But yeah, that was that one. I don't know if you guys remember that or not, but let's get this open and take a look. Should be a defrost timer in here and a contactor I want to check. That's what it looks like on these little master build condensing units. It is an outdoor unit. It has a headmaster. And let's see what we got hiding inside of here. Oh yeah. Store components for the compressor, defrost timer, and our contactor. Nice little setup right there. Not too bad. I need to go kill the breaker. And we'll check all this stuff out. All right, I got the breaker turned off. Let's double check and make sure the power is off. And then sometimes on these feeds, they go to the top. Sometimes they go to the bottom. This time they went to the top. I like to check the feeds. Sometimes, like you'll see on the carriers, they'll come in the bottom. These feeds come on the top. Let's check line to line, 0 volts. Oh, that ground's corroded. We got to clean that up. Look at that. Let's go. We'll go to case. Get there. And we're good there. Just double checking the power's off. We'll take a look at the contactor. And we'll check our capacitors. Threw this little CLC sack together with all my leads. I got all the different leads in there. Let's take a look. Yeah, we want a bunch. I want to grab the grabbers. I want that dude. I'm looking for his sidekick. Where's your sidekick at, bro? There he is, sidekick. And we get those on the leads. Nice little bag, different leads. If you're gonna be working on the mini split, you need to get some needle probes to get on the Molex connectors. NorCal's tip of the day. Tip of the day. All right, the run capacitor is 20 microfarads. 20.4. That thing's still good. Let's check our start cap. There's our start cap. 124 microfarads. Contacts look really good. We're in good shape, so everything over here is looking really good. Stoked.
Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.